Hello everyone, in this video I am going to present to you how you can easily install CCTV in any premises or office. So let's get started. Before start, requesting you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will get a regular update on the latest installation and repair videos of the laptop, computer, mobile and CCTV. First of all, I am going to introduce the equipment which needed to install CCTV. First, CCTV camera. Second, DVR. Third, hard disk. Fourth, CCTV cable. Fifth, power supply of the camera. Sixth, BNC and power connector. Seventh, mouse. 8. Cable clips. Here I have some footage that will shoot during the CCTV installation process. Due to we are working at our client side, that's why we have limitation while shoot. First thing first, we have to choose the location of CCTV so that we can monitor each and every activity. As discussed with the client, they need to monitor the entrance of the shop as well as the cash counter. According to the planning, we drill holes and put a PVC box on the outdoor roof to place one of the cameras. Now the technician is drilling some holes to install cables. Here technician is clipping the wires so that it will look nice and clean. Now it's time to place CCTV. So that technician is crimping wires and joining to the CCTV. Camera placement is done according to the planning. So let's configure DVR so that client can watch and record videos. I have shot few footage that will help you to understand the simple process of configuration of DVR. is the final view. Let's configure the mobile app so that it will be handy to access CCTV footage at any location. Thanks for watching.